What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Hot Wheels Ninja channel. Today we have a very short, quick video. We are going to be unboxing and doing a little quick review on the new Skyline, the Midnight Purple RLC. So let's open this up and see what we got. I crossed out all my stuff. I don't want to get doxxed. Don't steal my information. Well, that is lackluster. Get that out of here. Ooh, all right. Yeet. Throw that out of there too. Let's bring this down a little bit. Boom. Ugh. So much cardboard dust in there. Let's get this light over here so you guys can see a little bit better. Alright. Let's get it out of this protective case real quick. Don't mind my very messy workbench. I'm literally in the process of doing a custom, not for YouTube, but for myself. So you guys might see it in a short at some point. Oh, that sucks. Oof. Alright. Well. It's $30, guys. That's what you get from RLC. And that came in the protector. You guys watched me open the box. Oh, both corners. That corner and that corner are shot. The car itself looks great. Yeah, it looks really good. I love the purple on there. You know what kind of sucks though is you can't open the hood on this one. You can open the hood, but they have it packaged to where the hood can't be propped open in the package, which kind of sucks. Let's get some of that color shift paint going. Here, let me get that away. Purples, the pinks, the blues. Perp. Yeah, just because of how poor of shape the box is in, this might get opened at some point. I'm not sure. I mean, I could just put it back in the little protective thing and call it a day, but I don't know. I didn't buy two. I don't have two accounts. I know some people that do. Maybe if somebody has an extra one, I might be able to get another one to open, or open this one. But yeah, that is a little disappointing. Just kind of ruined corners. But, I mean, they are toys. They are meant to be opened, but technically these aren't. RLC is for collectors, and no offense, Hot Wheels, but you would think that you take a little bit better care of the shipping and handling, especially when it's almost $10 for shipping. Yeah, anyways, not throwing shade at Hot Wheels or anything, but that's it for that, guys. That was just a quick little unboxing and review. We'll leave that light up so you guys can see that right there in the middle. That's it for this video. This is gonna be super quick. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys, if you guys got one of these, awesome. I love the card art. I think the card art is sick. I do love the car. I love the color. The car itself is great. The only downside is that it came in a little bit messed up. And I've seen pictures on Facebook already. People are putting pictures of it up. People are getting, I mean, completely destroyed cards, or the entire blister is cracked. So I guess I should be lucky that none of that really happened. I just have some bent corners. As somebody who collects stuff in box and out of box, there are certain things that I never wanted to open. I know this car, like the day it came out, was already going for like 200 bucks. I have no idea what it's at now. You guys know me, I don't really sell my stuff, especially if it's one thing. But this was the one Skyline I knew I had to have. I had to have a Midnight Purple Skyline that's iconic. So that had to be in my collection. I am a little disappointed that the box is kind of damaged, but it is probably just going to go back in here and then live out the rest of its days in the garage, in the collection. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, as always. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your grandmother about me. Tell your grandfather about me. Tell him to come visit the channel, have some fun, look at some cars. What in the world? Okay. Alright, okay, what in the heck? Well, I guess I see now why the bottom of my card got damaged. It's because this protector's like messed up. It's like warped or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. The whole bottom of that's like messed up. It like won't, it doesn't snap in. I don't know why. It's very strange. I might be switching this to a different protector when I get one. Shout out to KPS Hobbies. I'm probably going to go to them and get a different protector for this, because this is pretty bad. Yeah, you can see, like, let's snap the top in. So that's all snapped in. It's secured. But there's, like, a huge gap. Where that, here, yeah, you can see it. The whole card's just flopping around in there. And it is not supposed to do that. It is supposed to be pressed up against there, nice and tight. Yeah, it's still wobbling around in there. So that's probably why it got damaged. But I guess that's not technically... I mean, yeah, that is technically on Hot Wheels. They gave me a warped protector. But so this video was a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be. But yeah. Cool car, love the card art. Not numbered, unfortunately. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now that I know what damaged it. Now you guys can see how RLC works sometimes. Some people get luckier than others, and some people maybe not so lucky. But alright guys, so we're back, and I had contacted Mattel about this RLC Skyline, and basically their two options were to send it back, get a full refund, or send it back and they can send another one out. And after much deliberation, I think what I'm going to do is open this bad boy up. So, I mean, I've seen this car going for anywhere from $150 to $250 online, so I'm going to consider it. You know, obviously all my stuff stays in my collection. I don't have two RLC accounts. I've said that in another video, so I didn't order two of these. I only have one. And because it's part of, you know, a personal collection and the box is messed up, we're going to open it up. But I'm going to consider it kind of a, basically a $200 loss. Because they gave me a faulty protector. And, yeah, so this is just a quick little addition to the review video that I posted. The unboxing review. I'm gonna. This is probably getting spliced in the middle of the video somewhere, but we're gonna open it up. $250 car. Yeah, these need to be opened. Sorry, if you guys hear the honking, there's like a trash truck outside my house right now or something. I'm in the garage. No, come on. Oh, cool. That doesn't want to stay open. Yeah. Well, I don't know if anybody else out there had the same experience as I did. I know a lot of people just bought these to resell them, and there's probably a bunch of scalpers who got their hands on them, but if anybody actually got one of these to open and, you know, to display, let me know if you had the same kind of poor experience that I've had. You know, when I hit up Mattel, I honestly just asked them. I was like, hey, can I just get a partial refund for this, or maybe a full refund? I have a damaged box. It's a valuable car. I mean, if I did want to resell it, it's a loss, you know, especially now. It's open. You can't resell it now. I think the car maybe out of the box by itself is worth $30, so it's worth the same as what I paid for it. But, you know, I'm not a beggar, and I wasn't, you know, trying to get Mattel to, you know, hey, give me something for free. No, but it's just a little, you know, irritating that you pay, you wait, and then you get stuff like this. Floppy hoods. I will give them this. The engine bay looks way better than that RX-7 that came out. Oh, well, there's some smudged paint on the valve cover. Some smudged silver paint. And the hood that just does not want to stay open. Well, no wonder why they didn't put the extra little piece in here so the hood could be opened in the package. That's propped open. That looks great. Box on this is not damaged at all. I mean, I don't know. The paint looks great. It's a pretty basic RLC. I think what people were so happy about was the midnight purple color, which you guys can see. It does color shift. Come on, focus. Here we go. It does the blues, the pinks, the purples. It does look really good, but it's just kind of one of those things where it's like, I could spend, shout out to Roy for this. You guys are probably going to see this in another video soon, or have already seen it in a video, not sure. But I spent 25 bucks on this. And the level of quality and detail in this is insane compared to Hot Wheels. So, yeah, that's kind of it, guys. This is going to be somewhat of a long video since I'm splicing everything together. That hood feels like it wants to, like, break out of there. Like, it's so squishy. It's weird. Sorry. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked just looking. I'm finding more and more stuff that I'm just not super happy about, but it's good just sitting there as a display piece. That's pretty much it. It looks cool from behind the camera because I can see the whole side is blue, the top's purple, the front's pink. So, like, in the light that I can see, like, my phone's probably not picking it up very well, but the paint looks great to me. The midnight purple does look awesome. The Endgame Australia Edition R34 from Ino. Take this out of the package real quick. I think everybody's biggest gripe with this one is that it's that side tampo, the Endgame Collection tampo. People aren't, like, super stoked about that, but other than that, I mean, this looks awesome. Titanium tipped exhaust. Obviously not real titanium, but sorry, I keep bumping the arm that's holding my camera because I have it so low. But the paint on this is incredible too. Yeah, you can really see the color shift in this. Yeah, I mean, level of paint quality is almost identical. I'll be honest. That is nearly identical. It seems like there's maybe a little bit more green in the Hot Wheels one. Let's pull this one out. This one might be more purple than anything. So, yeah. Yeah, these are slightly different. Yeah, this one's got more like gold and yellow in it. These two are definitely meant to be like actual midnight purple. But oh, there's some gold in that too. I can only see that on camera though. I don't see that in person. Maybe, what angle is that at? Oh, yeah, there's some gold in this one, too. Is there gold in this? I don't see gold in this. Oh, yeah, there. Okay, so there is gold in there. But, yeah, this is a super long, drawn-out, ridiculous video, so I apologize for that, guys. But, yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys a comparison. I guess now a comparison, now that I realize that I have an Ino R34. The hood does not open on this, but you got clear press and tail light, headlights and tail lights, you know, chrome tip exhaust that's painted, carbon on the wing. You got your back window details, the little like heat things. You have mirrors. You got mirrors on this one. TE37s that actually look like TE37s. They are both right-hand drive, so point to Hot Wheels. There's a lot more molding detail inside of the Ino, though, which you guys probably can't see on camera. A little bit, yeah. Yeah, a lot more molding detail. You have like the brake calipers behind the wheels. Hot Wheels did that with this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys see that right there? They printed it on the bottom of the base. They printed it on the base, but you can't see it behind the wheel at all. Let me get light like directly in there. Yeah, you can't see that. I don't know why they even wasted their time. That's such a weird detail to add. Yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it printed there on the base. It's strange. I don't know. I'm not thrilled about it, but I am happy to have it in my collection. It is cool. I think I know next time that, you know, I already had this, so maybe I should have just skipped this one. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's it. There you go. It's out of the box. $200 down the drain. Thanks a lot, Mattel. Don't ban me. Hi. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you again for joining me. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. We just did the 500 or the 100 subscriber giveaway, but I'm well over 500 subscribers now. So thank you guys for that. And keep pushing. Keep hitting that sub button. Hit that bell. So you know when any of my new videos are coming out, you guys can see that. And just give me feedback. Any feedback you guys want to leave in the comments, love, hate, doesn't matter to me. Comment. I will try to comment back to everybody unless it's something, you know, that I can't comment back to, you know, whatever. But yeah, that's going to be it. So until next time, guys, peace.